Hi, can you please take your bag back? What? Your giant duffel bag? It was under my seat, so can you just please keep it on your side of the airplane seat? No, that's not my bag, that's your bag. You would think that I would know what bags are mine. I don't have a bag to go under my seat. I was gonna use the extra space to stretch out my legs. Okay, good for you, but I have a bag right here under my seat, so. Then whose bag is it? Ma'am, that's your bag. I saw you put it there, so stop trying to make me responsible for it. No, I'm not about to have an uncomfortable flight because you decided that you didn't want to hold on to your stuff. Why don't you put it in the overhead bin? Is there a problem over here? Yes. Actually, this lady here is putting her stuff under my seat section, and she's not taking it back. It's very frustrating. Ma'am, this lady right here is trying to get me to claim her bag so that I can be the one to pay for it to be checked because she doesn't want to pay for a checked bag or a carry-on. Oh my God, is that what you're trying to do here? Get me to pay for your bag? Ma'am, sorry, but if it doesn't fit under your seat, you are going to have to check it because the overhead bins are full. But it's not my bag, it's hers. Is under your seat, ma'am. I already have my own right here. How much stuff could I need? You are a mischievous lady. I'm not paying for a bag that's not mine. All right, stop acting like a bunch of 5-year-olds. Whose bag is it? Hers. Okay, let me just take a look inside. Wow, a nice Apple computer, some really nice expensive headphones. I'll just take these then after my shift if no one's gonna claim this bag. Hey, give those back. Check bags are gonna be $60. You can have it back at baggage claim. Ugh, so close.